In today's video, we're diving into the secrets of focus and concentration. If you want to be successful like many accomplished individuals, you need to master the art of focusing on your dreams, tasks, and goals. Ever experienced that intense focus when you're working against the clock? That's called the flow state, where your brain works 500 times better. Imagine what you can achieve with that level of focus. So, how do we activate the flow state? It's simple. We need a challenge that's not too easy or too difficult. Something that pushes us to learn and solve problems. That's when our minds naturally enter the flow state and concentrate effortlessly. But it doesn't stop there. Step 2 is setting clear goals. Just like in a game, when players are in the flow state, they give their all to win. Having defined targets and challenging tasks keeps us focused and motivated. Step 3 is all about immediate feedback. When we see progress or results, our brains get fired up and push us to concentrate even more. It's like playing a game without a score, not very exciting, right? Lastly, we have the 4% challenge. It's about pushing ourselves to complete tasks faster and more efficiently. By setting a goal to finish a task in less time, we activate our brain's focus and concentration. To sum it up, to achieve the flow state, we need challenging tasks, clear goals, immediate feedback, and the 4% challenge. So, let's level up our focus and concentration game and unlock our full potential.